channel. My name is Lydia and today I'm coming at you with this green mint eyeshadow look. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So first thing I'm going to do is go in with some concealer to prime my eyelids, and I like to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm going to be recreating a look. I'm going to put her Twitter handle somewhere on the screen. She's the one who created this look and it was really freaking pretty. And I was like, I have to try that out. So I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going in the shade Diva, like this. Like a really, really dark green. I'm just going to pack it on. So now I'm going to go in with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to go in with the deepest green. Go in with this shade right here, it's like the deepest green, and blend out my harsh lines with it. Back to the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to go back into that green and pack it on some more, that deep green, to bring back the color. Do the same thing to the other eye. Going back in with my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm going to cut my crease. Going in with my ColourPop palette, I'm going to go in with this mint shade right here and pack that onto my cut crease. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Now I'm going to go back in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, go back in with that deep shade, and blend out my cut crease edge with it. That we have the eyes done, I'm going to wipe off my bait. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my base makeup and I will be right back. So now I'm going to go in with some mascara. I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Now I'm going in with my Dodo lashes in the style D328. You can use my discount code LydiaBaby, get some money off your purchase. I'm also going in with my Duo Lash Glue. Alright, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video.